Hi, I've just got a review. I've been using the shampoo and conditioner for about 1 month now. While it's been a really good standalone shampoo and conditioner, what I've really noticed is the amount of, or the lessening of fallout just in the daily shampoo and hair brushing routine. So I would definitely say it's been aiding hair growth and strength and all over general health of hair. And it's a really nice product, so haven't had to be doing too much styling or anything extra like that. And you know, I usually colour my hair quite a bit, so it's still maintained really good health through all that. We'll hopefully continue to keep on buying the products and yeah, just see some additional results over the upcoming couple months. In terms of routine, I've been washing my hair probably every second day, but I have been also sticking to the guidelines that they provide around how long to leave the shampoo and conditioner in. Thanks very much. Bye.